Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. I'm with my cousin Craig in southern Louisiana. Let's show you what he does for a living, shall we? This is my cousin Craig.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Yep. So he works at a water treatment plant?
Work at a water treatment plant, and I'm gonna give Russell a little short tour of how everything works around here.
Oh, this is interesting. Stay with us. Come on.
Taking a little walk upstairs.
You get up here on the steps, and this is
actually a clarifier that's been taken out of service, and everything in here is gonna be brand new when it's finished.
So they're taking this out and putting new one in?
Yeah, the internal parts.
And this is
a process that's called an upflow clarifier, because the water starts at the bottom and comes straight up to the top.
Well, let's go take a look at this. This is pretty cool.
And what we do is we take water from out of the bayou and we turn this into drinking water. We add chemicals that works like a magnet, gives a positive and negative charge, and it makes the solid material in it come together and get heavy, and then it falls out, and all the clear water stays out comes up to the top. You can see that through there?
Yeah, look. You can see all the solids down the bottom. You get some reflection of the light, but you can see.
But it's just like a big mixing bowl.
You can see the solids over there.
Yeah, you can see it rolling around in there.
And you get the water right out of the bayou.
Come out of the Chapelai Basin.
Chapelai Basin. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to follow you.
Yep. And once the water comes out of the processor, it goes into a filtration system.
And it goes from there?
Yeah, once it goes from there, all that water gathers in here and passes through all of these carbon filters to take out all of the smaller particles.
And what is that stuff on top?
It's just foam.
Just foam?
Yeah.
And these are just valves that...
Yeah, valves that operate. Everything lets the water in, lets it out. Or we can shut it down, reverse the flow, and actually clean the filter. After so many days, we have to wash them. And then we have another processor on over here. It's a little different, but it actually does the same thing.
And these are your control panels?
Control panels for all the valves that operate these filters. This one you probably can get a better look.
Now this is the same process, same tank.
Same process, just a little bit different.
Oh, look, you sucked up a fish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they have a lot of fish in here. That's just one. But you can see the little blanket on the bottom where everything separates at and all the clear water comes to the top.
So you said, what was it, electrolysis or something? And it
kind of, when the chemicals mix in the water, it's kind of like a magnet. You have a positive charge and a negative charge. Well, when they come together, the solid material comes together, and when they bump around against each other, they get bigger and bigger and bigger. And when they get bigger, they get heavy and it falls out.
And they fall to the bottom.
Yep.
And the clean water comes up top and you run it through the filters.
Right.
And then from there, it goes
under this building right here, which is a holding tank. What we have here is a transfer pump. This transfer pump takes water out from under the building that we're in and transfers it into our storage tanks that's outside. And lose a lot of water. We make about 1.5 million gallons of water a day.
A day? Yeah, 1.5 million gallons a day.
A day.
Wow, a lot of water.
Plenty. All the disinfection process happens in here, and then once it leaves from there and goes into storage, and then out into the system to our customers.
And you serve what areas?
We go from the city of Jeanerette, Sharonton, Baldwin, and parts of Franklin.
Wow, that's a lot.
Spread out a lot.
And each one of them tanks hold how much?
500,000 gallons.
And how many tanks you got?
We have 2 tanks at $500,000 and another one at 250,000. So
And then
maybe like a million, not quite $1.5 million we can store on
that's
site.
stored.
Stored on site.
And then you have a water tower, you said?
Yeah, we do have a water tower in the town of Baldwin, and we fill that up during the middle of the night.
Yeah.
And then once that's full, we let the town of Baldwin feeds off of that during the day.
This is pretty cool.
So, but been doing this for 43 years, and
Get out.
time to get out. I'm ready for retirement.
There you go. Retire and enjoy, man.
Yes,
Travel.
indeed.
Get in that camper and go.
We're gonna go.
Definitely going to meet up somewhere along the way. So if you see this guy, hey, stop on in and say us. This is the inner workings of the water processing plant down in southern Louisiana. All right?
Yeah.
So this is the guy right here, amongst a couple other guys
Yeah, I'm just one of a few.
that gives you all clean water. If it's not clean, don't blame this guy because he's retiring. Hey, thanks for watching Adventures with Football. Hope this was a little entertainment for you. Little side gig, but this is where I'm at right now. Southern Louisiana.
Yeah. Come here and you leave different.
You won't leave hungry though, for sure.
For sure.
All right, hey, see you on the next video.